Right now, someone might be reading your text, listening to your calls, and looking through your photos, and you have absolutely no idea it's happening. In 2025, Google blocked over 1.75 million dangerous apps. That's just the ones they caught before reaching your phone. And the scary part? Your phone will actually warn you. It gives you signs, and most people just don't know what to look for. Welcome back to Safelyo. Today, I'm going to show you 11 signs that your phone has been hacked. If you see even one of these, you need to act fast. Let's get right into it. Sign number 1. Your battery is draining much faster than normal. Your battery used to last all day. That's dead by afternoon, and you haven't even used your phone that much. This is one of the most common early signs of a hack. When spyware or malware is running on your phone, it works in the background 24/7. It tracks your location, records your activity, and sends that data out, all without you knowing it. And all of that burns through your battery fast. What should you do? Go to your phone settings and check your battery's usage. If you see an app using a lot of battery and you don't recognize it, that's a red flag. Signs number 2. Your phone feels hot even when you're not using it. Pick up your phone right now. Does it feel warm even though you haven't been using it? That heat means something is running inside your phone, something you didn't turn on. Malware and spyware run constantly in the background. They use your phone's processor non-stop, and that creates heat. It's the same reason your laptop gets hot when it's working hard. If your phone feels warm while it's just sitting on the table, screen off, not charging, that's not normal. That's definitely a warning sign. So what should you do? Pay attention to when your phone gets hot. If this happens when you're not doing anything with it, move to the next signs on this list and check carefully. Sign number 3. Your mobile data is being used up too fast. You haven't watched any videos, you haven't downloaded anything, but somehow your data is almost gone. Here's why that happens. When spyware is on your phone, it needs to send your information out, your messages, your location, your photos, and to do all of that, it uses your mobile data without asking you. So to fix this, go to your settings and check which apps are using the most data. Look for anything unfamiliar. If an app you don't recognize is using a lot of data, you know what to do. Sign number 4. Your phone is suddenly slow and keeps freezing. Your phone used to run fine. Now it freezes. App takes forever to open, and everything just feels sluggish. This can be a sign that something hidden is running in your phone. Malware takes up your phone's memory and processing power. It's like having 10 apps open at the same time. If your phone is slow and you haven't installed anything new recently, don't just ignore it. Check running apps and look for anything you don't recognize. Sign number 5. You see apps you never downloaded. Go to your phone right now and scroll through your apps. Do you see anything you don't remember installing? This is one of the clearest signs of your phone has been hacked. Hackers often install spyware that hides under names that sound normal, like System Service, Phone Manager, and Device Health. They're designed to look like they belong there, so you won't delete them. If you see any apps you don't recognize, look it up immediately. If you can find a clear explanation of what it does, delete it. Sign number 6. Your phone turns on by itself, or the screen lights up randomly. Your phone is sitting on the table, you're not touching it, and suddenly it restarts on its own, or the screen lights up for no reason. It's a sign that something on your phone is communicating with an outside source without your permission. Pay attention to when this happens. If your phone keeps turning on or lighting up when you're not using it, that's a clear warning sign. Sign number 7. You hear strange noises during phone calls. You're on a call and you hear clicking sounds, or static, or an echo that shouldn't be there. This can be a sign that someone is listening in your conversation. If you keep hearing strange sounds during calls, especially during private conversations, take it seriously. Sign number 8. You get text messages with random numbers or symbols. You receive a text message, but instead of words, it's just a string of random numbers and symbols. No sender name, no clear meaning. So this could be a spyware communicating with your phone. Some spyware uses text messages like this to send commands or to receive data. It's a way for the hacker to control the spyware remotely without you noticing. Never reply to these messages. Never click on anything inside them. If you keep getting messages like this, it's a strong sign something is wrong. Sign number 9. Your camera on your microphone turns on by itself. This is one of the scariest signs on the list. If your camera light turns on when you're not using the camera, or you see the microphone indicator appear when you're not on the call, someone could be watching or listening to you right now. On iPhone, look for the small green or orange dot at the top of your screen. That means your camera or your microphone is active. On Android, go to your settings and check which apps have used your camera and microphone recently. What should you do? If you see camera or microphone activity from an app that has no reason to use them, remove that app's permission immediately. Sign number 10. You get login alerts from unknown devices. You get a notification. Someone just logged into your email or your social media accounts from a device you don't recognize or in a location you've never been into. If a hacker gets into your phone, they often get access to your accounts too, and once they're in, they can lock you out completely. Never ignore these alerts. Go check your account activity right now. If you see a login you don't recognize, change your password immediately and log out of all other devices. Size 11. Your phone takes a long time to turn off. You press the power button and instead of shutting down right away, your phone takes much longer than usual. This happens because spyware needs time to finish sending data before the phone shuts down. Pay attention to how long your phone normally takes to shut down. If it suddenly takes much longer, you've noticed all the signs from this list. If you use an Android, first, open your settings and go to apps. Look closely at the list. If you see any apps you don't remember downloading, delete it immediately. Second, search for device admin apps. In your settings, if an unknown app has admin rights, revoke it instantly. This prevents malware from controlling your system. If you use an iPhone, first go to Settings, then General, and tap Software Update. Install the latest version immediately. Apple frequently pushes security patches to kill hidden spyware. Second, change your iCloud password right away. And turn on two-factor authentication. For both Android and iPhone, if your phone is still running hot or acting laggy, perform a factory reset. This completely wipes the device and deletes everything, including hidden malware. Just make sure to back up your photos and contact first. Are you seeing any of these signs on your phone right now? Comment down below so we can help you out. If you find this video helpful, please give a like and subscribe. Don't forget to share this video to your family and friends, especially your parents and grandparents, who are often targeted the most. We're Safelyo, and we will see you in the next video. Stay safe.